Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start web development with Buffalo Wild Wings, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin your web development journey with Buffalo Wild Wings, first, familiarize yourself with the brand. Visit the Buffalo Wild Wings website to understand its design and functionality. Next, decide on your web development environment. Install a code editor, such as Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text. Set up your local server using tools like XAMPP or WAMP. Create a new folder on your computer for your Buffalo Wild Wings project. Open your code editor and start a new project in that folder. Begin by designing the homepage layout. Use HTML for the structure of your web page. Incorporate elements like headers, navigation, and footers. Next, style your page with CSS to match Buffalo Wild Wings branding. Analyze their color scheme and typography for an authentic touch. Add images related to Buffalo Wild Wings, like their famous wings and menu items. Use responsive design techniques to ensure your site looks good on mobile devices. Include interactive elements using JavaScript, such as a menu toggle or image slideshow. Test your website in different browsers to ensure compatibility. Make adjustments as necessary based on the results of your testing. Once satisfied with your design, consider adding additional pages like a menu or locations. Use proper linking in your navigation for a seamless user experience. Lastly, upload your website to a hosting provider to share with others. This will give you a live version of your project accessible online. With these steps, you have created a web development project inspired by Buffalo Wild Wings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.